everyone, it's me Roslyn and my husband
Marcus.
Okay, so now we're going to USCIS for my biometrics. My biometrics scheduled 12 p.m. at USCIS Atlanta, 1255 Collier Road, Suite 100, Atlanta, GA30318. So, how many minutes to get there, hon?
It will take us about 30 minutes from where we live. They say that it's a good idea to arrive 30 minutes before your appointment because there's a chance that they can take you early, and the whole process, depending on what you're there for, can take up to 30 minutes to an hour.
Okay, so I have all my documents. I asked my friends what are the documents, those who already done their biometrics. So they said marriage certificate, my passport, and the appointment letter. And they said that I need to fill out something, a form, when I get there. So I will keep you posted later what happened and how many minutes inside and what are the process.
Yeah, unfortunately they don't allow cell phones or any other recording devices inside the building, so they will turn you back away.
So no mobile phones, no gadgets inside. Maybe it's like the US Embassy also in the Philippines, so no gadgets. So that's it. We will get back to you later.
Bye-bye.
So we're here now. Where is it?
Main solution is this video.
Sorry, we keep on looking.
I want to say we're here. Let's see.
You...
Looks like we're at
Let's check. Housey.
Yeah, it is.
1231. Is it 1255?
That's what it took me to.
You will see self-storage. 1, 2, 3, 2. Maybe here's. This one is 1, 2, 3, 1. Oh, that one. There it is.
Application Support Center.
Yes, this one, 1255. Where is the...
Is there a spot right here?
Yeah, here. Where you leave my things here?
This is reserved.
Right? Oh, maybe there. I think it's on the other side.
Why isn't it turn around?
Salas. Okay. Application support. Oh, straight ahead. Straight ahead. Sorry. Here we go. Here we go. 1, 2, 5, 5. So this is the USCIS. Oh, there. Oh my God, I'm tense. I am so tense.
No reason to be tense.
Oh my goodness. It's different on the first USCIS that we've been before. It's more like, yeah, that one. Applications Support Center, 1255 a year old. So that's it. This is the huh? I'm sorry. I'll help you out. There! Yeah. Okay guys. So we are now here and we will keep you posted later. Because I need to leave my bag and my phone. I will bring my documents, only the documents. See you guys later. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Hi guys, so I'm done.
We just finished.
Okay, so we arrived around 11:20 and then there is a queue and we get inside around 11:40. Then after that, the guard asked for my ID, so I give my passport, the appointment letter, and yeah, that's it. So, and since Marcus is with me, I asked the guard if he can accompany me inside. So the guard said yes, it's fine. So the guard gave us a form that I will fill out. Then we went inside and take a seat and I fill out the form. Han, can you hold this for a while? That one. So all the questions on the form. Ay, Han, the passport, sorry. Ay, sorry. Ay. Okay, all the questions on the form, application information worksheet, my name, date of birth, country of citizenship, gender, then circle. Oh, I did not read that. Circle. Good thing I circled it. Circle the most appropriate race below. So you will choose either you're American, black, white, Asian, or unknown, and then your height, your weight, then circle your eye color, then circle your hair color. So the first I circle was black because my hair is color black, but the guy encircled brown. And then I said, oh, this is only a dye, a hair dye. But the guy said, what the guy said?
He said that he wanted to base it on what you look like now, not what you naturally, not your natural hair color, but what it is right now. So if you came in with purple hair, or wait, what's the options on here?
No, bald, black, blonde,
Red.
brown, rig,
Came in here with like
red,
red.
sandy,
If you
white.
did like really red hair, then you could circle red. So, or if
Yeah.
you came in here with purple, you could circle unknown.
Yeah, so they will change it, so it's fine. And then list any other names you have used, include maiden name, previous marriage, aka, etc. So I write down my single name. Okay, then after that we waited 11:40 to 12:10 before we what?
Well, we waited in the line to turn the paper into the receptionist.
Yeah, sorry.
Then after that, we sat down and waited for our number to be called.
Yeah, but wait. At the receptionist, I gave my application information worksheet, my passport, and my appointment. And then
he asked to look at your hands.
yeah, look at my hands,
Just
front
to see
and
that
back.
you had all your fingers. So they were all there. Good thing.
Yes, and then he clipped my number, which is number 708. So he said to sit down and wait to call my number. So when we sit down, the number is 690. So we waited 12:10 up to 12:50. And then 12:50, the girl called my number and then started, and she asked for my documents, my passport, the number, information worksheet, and my appointment letter, which is already clipped. So I handed to her and she checked it, and then I sit down, and then after she checked all the information, I signed my new signature, my marriage signature. Then after that, she took a photo, and then after that, fingerprint. So I have a problem again with my fingerprint, same with the US embassy before. So at first, the machine did not capture my fingerprint. I don't know why, and then I said sorry, it's really hard to get my fingerprint. And then the lady said no, it's fine. So he get a tissue and put an alcohol and then rub it to my finger, and then that's it. So finally the machine captured my fingerprint, so all my fingerprints. And then after that, she said okay, you're done. And I checked on the screen, it was written my married name, Roslyn Campbell. You can check that because I will use my married name. And then after that, she gave me a survey sheet, like are you satisfied, blah 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 blah. Then after that, I'm done. So I finished 12:55. So how many minutes did we wait? 11:20 to 12:55. So that's it. It's very easy. Then after that, I will just wait. I hope no RFE, and I hope no interview. So that's it, guys.
That's it. We're done.
We're done.
Now we're gonna go eat because we're starving. We missed lunch.
Yes. What is lunch?
We're gonna go to, I don't know. We're
No,
gonna
what
figure
is
it out.
lunch? Hapunan.
Oh,
Tanghalinan.
Hapunan.
Hapunan or
Hapunan.
tanghalian. Okay, guys. Have a
Bye.
great day. Bye-bye.